Hey guys, welcome back to Snapshot Medical Kitchen, and today we're going to be a quick recipe on air fryer wings. So the benefit of the air fryer is you kind of get that same fried taste without all the oil that you need to fry things with. So you just kind of, this one is an Elite Platinum by Maxi-Matic. It's a 5-core. I would recommend as big as you can get, because if you stack things within it, it doesn't cook as evenly, but it still cooks really well. Get that fried taste, and you get the crispiness and still the juiciness there, without you having to use all the oil. And sometimes when people bake chicken, to get that crispiness, they need to pan sear it after, so it just saves that step. And also, there's no preheating really involved, so it's quick. You can cook these chicken wings in like 30 minutes, and you can go right to eating. So the recipe for this wings are just a couple little things that I put on my wing, and then after that you can put really whatever sauce you want. It kind of goes with everything. Buffalo, barbecue, even teriyaki would probably go well with this. So quick, easy recipe today: air fried chicken wings. So the good thing, if you use fresh chicken wings, is that they're pretty moist and wet already, so you don't really need any oil at all to coat them to make the seasoning stick, since they're already pretty wet with the juices from the meat. So for this part, I'm not going to give exact measurements of the seasoning that I put on. It's going to be based on how you like it, kind of by sight, because it depends on how much chicken you have and stuff like that. But the 3 things I like to put on is some chili powder, some cayenne, just a little bit of cayenne, and some black pepper. See, I'm not putting any salt on it, because if you're using buffalo sauce or something like that, it already has a lot of salt in it, so it doesn't really need any more. So just going to coat it, get a nice seasoning on them, and then I'm going to air fry them for whatever the instructions are that come with the air fryer. Like mine, for instance, has chicken legs, and it says 25 to 30 minutes or 400. And then we'll look at them, take a look at them, and then we'll put them in another bowl, put the sauce on them there. But you don't really need to put the sauce on them for when you're air frying them. So we'll get them cooking, and then we'll see how they turn out. All right, now that you have the wings nice, crispy, juicy, and cooked, you can combine in your sauce and then mix it all up, and then you're ready to serve and eat it up. You don't have to put it on a sear or anything. Just kind of add your sauce and get eaten. So I'm just going to add the sauce. We got some Atlantic City, New Jersey hot sauce. I'm going to mix them all up with the wings, and then we'll see how it tastes. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode, and just a quick, easy, healthy way to eat some wings. Catch you guys later.